Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make the viral Trader Joe's focaccia sandwich, so let's get started with the video. These are all the ingredients we're going to use for the sandwich. I got them all from Trader Joe's and I'll have them listed in the description. First, place the focaccia bread on a cutting board. Then cut it in half horizontally. After cutting it in half, lightly drizzle olive oil on each half of the bread. Then place the focaccia bread in the oven to toast at around 400 degrees until it is slightly crispy and golden brown around the edges. While the bread is toasting in the oven, we're going to prepare the arugula. In a bowl, add arugula, 1 tablespoon of lemon juice, 1 tablespoon of olive oil, and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. Then mix everything together until the arugula is completely coated. When you're finished, set the arugula to the side until you're ready to use it. By now the bread should be finished toasting in the oven, so remove it from the oven and place it back on the cutting board. Next, on the bottom half of the focaccia bread, spread an even layer of basil pesto. Then on the top layer of the focaccia bread, add an even layer of hot pepper sauce. Next, evenly spread a layer of bruschetta sauce on top of the pesto. Next, add a layer of sliced prosciutto, a layer of sliced capocollo, and a layer of salami. Once you finish adding the sliced deli meat, add the burrata. Gently tear the burrata and spread it over the deli meats. Next, drizzle balsamic glaze over the burrata cheese. Finally, add the arugula on top. Next, sandwich the two halves of bread together. Then cut it in half. And that's it, you're all done. And this is the finished result. This sandwich is so incredibly good. I totally understand why it went viral because it tasted amazing. There are so many flavors and it's super easy to make. I definitely recommend giving this a try. Alright, that's it for this video. Thank you guys so much for watching. Everything I used in this video will be down in the description below. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!